This is an introduction to a rocket kit we call the Gyro Chaser. Now this is a helicopter recovery rocket, but where are the blades? Well, they're actually on the inside attached to the nose cone. So when the nose cone comes off at the apogee point of the rocket, the blades pop out and then they spin back down to the ground. It's a lightweight rocket built around a 24-millimeter tube. It's 15 inches long plus a 2-inch long nose cone. Total length 17 inches, has 3 fins, balsa wood. It has 3 balsa wood blades, but what is really unique is the hub. So this is a 3D printed hub, which makes it really precise and so easy to build. Now, we call it a skill level 4 for just one small reason, and that is the blades. You can see that these blades are curved, and so you're going to have to curve them, and you probably never done that before. But our instructions show you exactly how to do it using some ammonia and water mix, something like Windex. Will soften the ligatures in the wood and allow it to be flexible so you can curve it. You're going to mold it over a 3/4 inch wood dowel, so you're going to need to go out and get a wood dowel to curve the blades. But that's the only skill level 4 task in building that rocket. Everything else, because of the new hub, makes it super simple. It has also 3D printed nose cone that has a parabolic shape. So this is the Gyro Chaser, and we named it Chaser because you're going to be trekking a long way to find this rocket because it goes so high. It flies on 18-millimeter motors, so that's your A's, B's, and C size, maybe even a Quest D if you are really adventurous and really want to go on a long trek. So this is the Gyro Chaser. You'll find it here at Apogee Components. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com.